What's up, credit family? It's your boy, Mr. Credit Banking, and I am back again with another video. In today's video, we're going to discuss when you will get paid, where should your money go? But before we get started, I want you to smash that like button and slap that subscribe button. Let's get started. All right, guys. So when you get paid, where should your money go? I'm going to kind of tell you guys what I do when I get paid. Where my money goes. So my money basically goes to five different places when I get paid. Four of them just happen automatically before I get the bulk of my paycheck. So, and those first four guys is falls under my theory of paying myself first. I'm a big believer in paying myself first. I think most of us pay our bills, and then whatever's left over, then we go ahead and pay ourselves, and there's usually not that much left over. And I think it's very important to pay yourself first. So like I said, the first four things covers paying myself first, and then the last thing I'll get into that later on. And also I have a bonus thing that you guys are going to say it's a no-brainer, but I think a lot of people forget about it when it comes to what they should do on payday when they get paid. So anyways, the first thing is you need to smash that like button. Just kidding, guys. Now, the first thing when you get paid is that most of us have a 401k plan through our employer, and you should be contributing to that, guys. I think it makes a huge difference, and it's going to make a huge difference in your life that you contribute to your 401k throughout your whole working life. And also, most employers match. Something like 1%, 2%, whatever they're matching, you should take advantage of it, guys. That is free money, and you should be putting money into your 401k plan, your company 401k plan when you get paid. So that's definitely a place where your money needs to go when you get paid. And the second place that your money needs to go is to a sinking fund. And a sinking fund is basically a short-term saving for stuff like your car registration or maintenance on your car. So I have that automatically direct deposit into a separate savings account for when those issues come up. I have money already set aside to take care of those issues, so it does not mess up my budget. You know what, guys, I forgot to mention this. None of this works if you do not have a budget. A budget is very important for any of this stuff to work. So that's a gimme. If you don't have a budget, get one right away. There's tons of videos on the internet or on YouTube on how to create a budget and so forth. So step number three, where I put my money on payday, is my emergency fund. I put money away into my emergency fund, and like I mentioned before, all of this stuff happens automatically. I have my employer direct deposit into another savings account, money that I'm putting away for whenever something really bad happens, like loss of job. Once again, this is another savings account that I have my employer direct deposit into a savings account. So if an emergency comes up, I have money already put it aside, and it does not mess up my budget. And then step number four is to slap that like button and punch that subscribe button. Anyways, guys, I know I'm kidding around a lot in this video, but it's very important. If you're watching this video, do me a huge favor and do hit the subscribe button. If it's red, make it turn another color other than red. Anyway, step number four, where I put my money on payday, is another step where I also have this is all set up automatically. And so all of these money that's getting set aside for paying myself first is done before I even see the bulk of my paycheck. And so step number four is I have my employer direct deposit money into my long-term savings. So once again, another savings account I have set up, all part of paying myself first. I have that money on payday go straight to my long-term savings / opportunity fund. And there's a reason why I call it opportunity fund. This money that I'm putting aside for whatever opportunity that may come up, buying stocks, purchasing real estate, whatever opportunity that may come up, I have money already set aside for when that opportunity comes up. So it's my long-term / opportunity fund. And then step number five is what I think most people do as their step number fund. The step number one is that I have my step number five is that last step on the 5 different steps that I have where my money goes to on payday, is that whatever is left over then goes to my checking account or / my savings account to pay my bills. What I actually like to do is I put it into my savings account, all the money that's left over from, all the money that was taken prior to it actually showing up that I can spend is I put all of my money into, I have my job, my W-2 job, direct deposit, all of that funds into my savings account. And then I just transfer out of my savings to my checking what I have budgeted for this particular month. So anyways, guys, those are the, the 5 steps that I do when it's payday for me, is where the 5 different places where my money goes on payday. And the bonus step that I know is going to sound kind of silly, but I think it's important, that guys, and I'm guilty of this in the past, is that I would pay everybody else first before I would take care of myself. And then, I'd pay all my bills on Friday on payday, and then come Monday, because I didn't pay myself first, I would be completely broke, and I didn't have any money for gas. Something that I recommend is that, guys, on payday, is that you fill up your car with gas, because you need, most of us need to put gas in our cars so we can go to our jobs, so we can make money, so we can have another payday. So I know it probably seems kind of silly, and it's my little bonus idea, but something I think is important is that make sure that you either set aside some money to put gas in your car, or you on Friday when you get paid, put gas in your car. That's all I have for today, guys. Hopefully you guys like my content today. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know your steps, your payday routine. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you do, or if you're going to adopt some of the steps that I do on payday. And also smash that like button, slap the subscribe button. And that's all I have for today, guys. Mr. Credit Banking out. Peace.